I'm trying to save y'all a coin. I'm trying to have y'all save y'all dollars. I'm trying to have y'all stack in the bank. I'm trying to have y'all look cute this summer, but you know, still slaying on a budget. So what's up? Let me stop slinging this synthetic hair before it catch fire, girl. Hey guys, what's up? It's JAYLA here, and I'm back again. Hope everybody's having a good day, good night, good week, whatever's going on for you. I was going super, super good, girl. Anyway, so today I am bringing you guys the Equal Bulgarian Bundle Wave. Clearly, as you can see, my hair is not a normal bra strap, girl. Normal bra strap, tank top, all that, girl. But as you can see, my hair is clearly not in a wave texture. It's slightly curled and manipulated, and I will tell you guys how I did that. And I did these types of waves using this Revlon. It is real bojanky, but this Revlon, I do not remember what size barrel this is, but this curling iron right here. And I just wrapped the hair around it, held it for a second, and then let it go, and then just finger comb them all out with a little bit of oil, and you're good to go. But, okay, specifications. So, I ordered 4 bundles. Well, actually, girl, let me tell you, because I got this hair from Sam's Beauty Supply, which is the plug. But I got this hair on sale. When I got it, it was, I believe, $9.99, and you buy one, you get one free. So I got 2 for, I think, $10, $20, and I got 2 more for free. So in total, I got 4 packs of the Bulgarian 26-inch bundle wave. All 4 packs for 26-inch. PM 430. Which, girl, is a solid lie, because look at how dark that is, girl. There ain't no PM, there ain't no 4, and there ain't no 30 in this. But it's okay, because we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the longevity of this hair. I've had this hair for at least 8 to 9 months. And, yeah, this hair, of course, can take heat, clearly. I have gone in and layered her like no other. I've worn this wig 3 or 4 times. I will say I did cut it. Because when it came, it said 26 inches, and just between you and me, usually with synthetic hair, they, usually whenever they say something is like 26 inches and it's in an S wave, it's really about a good 28, 30 inches, because they tend to measure the hair in that wave style, or that curled style, as opposed to it being straightened before they process it. So, just a heads up. So I actually ended up having to cut it, and even curled, it is still coming down. It's below my ribs, so it's like at belly button length, if not longer. The natural wave of it was very beautiful. I don't have any of it left because I shoved every single piece of this hair in my head that I could, girl. This hair does not tangle that bad, to be honest. Once you start heat styling it and manipulating it, of course it's going to tangle more. Over time, it's long, it's going to tangle. But as long as you use a good oil, or when you wash it, you just slide a little conditioner and oil back through it, you shouldn't have that many problems. As far as shedding goes, this hair literally does not shed on me at all. Then again, I do cut my wefts and I make a wig and I use a hot glue gun. So do keep that in mind, that if you decide to get it for a glue-in or a quick sew-in, it might shed. It has movement, it has body, it has texture. I love it. I think it's super pretty. It's like princess hair. And that's just how I like it. It's super thick, super big, super princessy, and yeah. Would I recommend this hair for a sew-in? Yes, if you know how to take care of synthetic hair. Yes, if you of course can get it in shorter lengths, but if you're going to get a lot of this, you need to maintain your hair. You need an oil, you need some water, you need a brush. Keep it real, keep it funky. Okay, would I recommend this hair for a glue-in? Absolutely, kitten. And yeah, would I recommend this hair for a good little cheap wig? Absolutely. This hair is bomb. It's going to give you lush, beautiful styles, whether you curl it, straighten it, whatever you do, or leave it in the natural wave, it's still going to be pretty. So, yep, drop a comment if you guys want to know anything about this hair. Hit the like button if you want to see how I did curl this hair. And, yeah. Hopefully you guys want to come back and subscribe and be high society members with us, and stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing you even more synthetic locks, girl, to help you save a coin, to help you keep your dollars in your pocket, okay, to help you get your Gucci bag, okay. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to secure the bag for me and you, okay. In 2018, we only buy in bundles every 6 months, okay, sis? So, Just saying. Just saying. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.